Hi guys! Welcome to DIY with Lenny. Today we're going to finish our projects on how to finish our vine wreath base. We're going to add flowers and some greeneries. So let's get to it. Okay guys, this is my wreath base. It's quite large. It's 25 by 25 inches. Look it over and decide where you want to put your flowers. Either it's on the bottom or on the side. You know, you gotta decide before you glue it. Because once you glue it, you can't pull it out. So keep that in mind. These are all the greeneries that we bought. Just grab one stem and then clip it, just like this. It's cheaper that way. As long as they have a bunch of them in one stem. Just like the eucalyptus, it's the same thing. We save these roses, the stems, so that we can add it into the greeneries. And this one, it's pretty cool looking branch, a greenery. Clipped all the stems already so that we can just stick it and glue it into the vines. Okay, we'll go look at the flowers now. Okay guys, these are just a few flowers that we have. They're not very cheap, they're kind of pricey actually. The greeneries and all these flowers, it was like $100. But you know, if you can find any clearance or half off price for flowers, you go ahead and snatch that or grab it, because it gets expensive. These ones are like, they look real. They feel like they're real, so that's why they are expensive a little bit. This one is only one flower, but we kind of clipped it, so we have 3 of that. And this is the delphiniums. This is gonna be for my daughter Paula. She loves this color combination, so this is what I'm going to make her. The roses are like, look real and feel real too. Okay, so let's make some wreaths. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to stick that in here. Just like that. Kind of add it like here and there. Okay guys, I just put the delphinium on this side and I glued it already. I'm just gonna put this one here and show you how to do that. Just basically, you're just gluing the bottom of the stem and not the top here, so that this can be like a free, just free hang, like loose. Looks natural. Okay guys, we're gonna add the hydrangeas. I'm just gonna stick that inside the gap. Put a little glue. I hope you like it, and I hope you learned something how to make this wreath. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!